Okay, I'm going to show you some more of the basics here, how to add students to your class, make folders like the ones that are here, and how to organize things. Some suggestions with that. Put materials in your folders so students can find them, and how to hide these folders and unhide folders in case there's certain things you don't want students to see. I'm also going to show you how to do announcements that'll show up at the top here. That the students would see as soon as they log in if there's some important information that you want to put on here for them as well. To add students is this code right here. You will give them this code, and when they log in and create an account, they will go to courses and they will click on join right here, and they'll enter that access code, and that puts them in your enrolls them, if you will, into your class, and that they'll have just your class available to them up there, or what other classes they get will be the only ones that show up there for them, and that puts them in the class. And the code has to have that dash in it as well. You don't want to skip the dash or it won't load up. To have folders like I have here, and the way I do mine, this is an AP class, this is by periods, and I just break it down to create a folder, and then I put other folders within that have stuff so they can find it, and they kind of learn and these are assignments here as well that they can pull up, and it keeps it organized for me, keeps it organized for them. They know kind of where to find stuff, and I'll show you how to do that. It's really simple. Go up here to course materials, and you click add folder, and you just give it a title. You can call it whatever, my new folder or folders, and just hit create, and it creates a folder for you, and I'll throw it down here at the bottom. I have a little bit of extra stuff in mine, and if you need, you can put in whatever order you want to. You can drag it around, take it to the top, leave it down at the bottom, whatever works best for you. You can leave it in, it's pretty, just drag and drop. To put something new in that folder, you have to actually click on that folder to get into it. And now you can tell that I'm in that new folder that we just made. And you click on materials, and you can add assignments, add web links, files right here. You can upload notes, PowerPoints, and you can also hook up your Google Drive right here and import from resources. So anything that you have saved on your Google Drive, you can pull it straight from there into here, giving students access to that as well. If you want to hide a folder, there's something in there that you don't want them to see, you click on this little sprocket right here and say you don't want them to work on this project that I've got them here. You just hit unpublish right there, and then it makes it where they can't see it. You can see it, and it'll kind of make it gray here. I hit unpublish, and see it says unpublished right there. So they can't see it, but I can see it, and you can change it back and forth depending on what you need them to do. Also, for announcements, it's pretty simple to set up. Hit right here, updates. You click on this little plus sign right here and hit the bell, and you just put on here page 5. Okay, and then you hit post. So when they go back to the main page, this is what they'll see across the top. Their announcement will show up, please read page 5. It shows up at the top, and it won't go away. It can't be deleted as well. These are some of the basics. There's plenty of other options you can add in here, but just this will get you started with some of that and kind of have fun with that. Thank you.